Good morning, students. So, in the last class, we discussed regarding factors affecting absorption of gas on a solid. So, I told you it is an important question. Factors affecting absorption of gas on a solid surface. Okay. So, there are 6 points I told you, and we discussed 3 out of the 6 points. We discussed first 3. That is nature of the gas, then pressure, then temperature. How they affect the absorption. So nature of the gas I already told you. So nature of the gas plays a vital role both in fission as well as chemisation. In case of fission, those gases having higher critical temperature have higher rate of adsorption. जो मान पर critical temperature जते अधिका ताकर adsorption rate सेते अधिका. In case of chemisation, it is quite selective. So only those gases which forms a surface product with the adsorbent or the solid, they are readily absorbed. जो गैस गुड़ा केवल जो सॉलिड टा निया है ता सागर किछि रिएक्शन करि परथुवे बॉन्ड फॉर्म करि परथुवे सेही माने ही एडजॉर्ब हेबे नहले केही एडजॉर्ब हेबे नाही. So nature of the gas plays an important role in both physi as well as chemisation. Then temperature, I told you, temperature plays also important role and decides whether it will be fission or whether it will be chemisation, because fission is a reversible process. So as per Le Chatelier principle, low temperature and high pressure favors adsorption of gas, whereas the reverse condition, that is high temperature and low pressure, they dissolve the gas. They cause desorption. That means they cause removal of the gas from the surface they have been adsorbed on. जो surface पे उसमें adsorb होती है, सेटू उसमें छाड़ी की पड़े जाता है कौन कहा जाए? It is called desorption. So in case of fission, low temperature is preferred, but in case of chemisation, what is required? Now high temperature is required. Why? Now because chemisation is also known as activated adsorption. Chemisation is also known as activated adsorption and requires high energy for the reaction to take place. So obviously it requires higher temperature. Okay. So higher temperature is preferred in chemisation, whereas in fission low temperature is preferred. Then we discussed regarding pressure. So we will be discussing in details in today's class, that is adsorption isotherm. So initially pressure has an important role on adsorption. Greater is the pressure, more is the adsorption. But gradually when the pressure is increased, the rate of adsorption increases. But after a definite point, there is no effect of pressure on adsorption. That pressure is known as saturation pressure. Last class we graph draw करथली. I had drawn a graph. So that graph we will be discussing again today, which we will be discussing in form of adsorption isotherm. So these are the 3 points which we discussed in the last class. Then we will discuss the remaining 3 points. First one is, that is point number 4. Nature of the solid adsorbent. Nature of the solid adsorbent. So when we take the same gas, suppose we take hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is readily adsorbed on nickel. Nickel surface, the nickel surface hydrogen gas is readily adsorbed, but less readily. So readily adsorbed on the surface of nickel, but less readily adsorbed on the surface of alumina. যদি alumina surface थाए ता ऊपरे कोन हबो ना हाइड्रोजन गैस कम एडजॉर्ब हबो, but in case of nickel the rate of adsorption is very high. तेणु नेचर ऑफ द एडजॉर्बेंट ऊपर भी डिपेंड करे को गैस टा केते अमाउंट रो एडजॉर्ब हो. The rate of adsorption is also decided by nature of the solid adsorbent, and you can cite this example. A example of में cite कर परियो. Hydrogen gas is readily absorbed on nickel surface, but less readily absorbed on alumina. That means it is adsorbed to a lesser extent in case of alumina. And what is the most common adsorbent? I told you, activated charcoal. So activated charcoal is the most common adsorbent जहाँ पर कि सब प्रकार गैस रेडिली एब्जॉर्ब हेई पारंती एंड कोन यूज हुए से कहतली एंड देयरफॉर is used in gas masks to absorb poisonous gases. Okay, so this is the next point, nature of the solid adsorbent and what is the role it plays. So कहिछि एटा एक एग्जांपल दे परिबो तापर बेस्ट एग्जांपल दबो इट इज द मोस्ट कॉमन और पॉपुलर एडसॉर्बेंट से कहीं कोथरे यूज हुए ना गैस मास्क रे देखिबो जो अंडरग्राउंड माइंस को जो जाती वर्कर माने दे वेयर ए गैस मास्क काहे कि ना त माइनिंग हुए खोला जाय तळे ताले बहुत गुडा रिजर्व गैस जेटा इट मे बी पॉइजनस बाहरे तेनु गैस मास्क पिनर कारण कोन ना सेतरे एक्टिवेटेड चारकोल देते जहाँ ऊपर कि से गैस गुडा एब्जॉर्ब हो जाए जहाँ पर कि जो वर्कर माने सेमन सेटा को इनहेल करती नहीं. So why activated charcoal is used in gas mask? No, because it will absorb the poisonous gases coming from the mines and other fields where it is necessary. बहुत गुडा डेंजरस फील्ड अछि जोटी कि वर्कर काम करिया दरकार बट सेठी किछि पॉइजनस गैस बाहर थाए से केस रे गैस मास्क यूज करा जाय. हमन लिखबो which one is used as the adsorbent in gas mask? Na activated charcoal is used as the adsorbent in gas mask. Okay students, then we will discuss the next 2 points. Then students we will go to next point. Next point, point number 5, surface area of the solid adsorbent. Surface area of the solid adsorbent. Surface area of the solid adsorbent. So I have already told you repeatedly, both physisation and chemization they increase with increase in surface area of the adsorbent. Why? Now the rate of adsorption increases with increase in surface area of the adsorbent. Why? Because the number of adsorption sites increases. जते अधिका surface area हबो सेतटा अधिका जगह मिलिबो त adsorption पई. So से जगह उडा कहे adsorption sites. So surface area of the adsorbent due to increase in number of adsorption sites. Adsorption by जो जगह उड़ा का कहे adsorption sites. So obviously both physisation and chemization, both physisation and chemization ले जते बढ़िबो surface area सेते बढ़िबो adsorption site, so rate of adsorption will increase. Okay, then point number 6. Point number 6, activation of surface area or activation of the solid adsorbent. Surface area increase करियो कोइबा कोन हमें activation of the solid adsorbent. ताले हमें छो पढलु कोन ना higher is the surface area, greater will be the rate of adsorption. जते solid surface ता अधिका हबो सेते अधिका गैस मॉलिक्यूल ता अपने स्टिक करबे. So higher is the surface area, greater will be the rate of adsorption. तो से surface area बढ़िया पई हम कोन करि परिया, what we can do to increase the surface area of the adsorbent. Surface area बढ़िया purpose कोन ना, so that the rate of adsorption will be higher. So that is called activation of the solid adsorbent. Activation of the solid adsorbent. That means simply to increase the surface area. Activation means to increase the surface area. Activation of purpose होची कोन ना surface area बढ़ेबा. So Activation of solid adsorbent means to increase the surface area of the solid adsorbent. को way करि परिबा by roughening the surface. गोटे सरफेस को जदि मन करो सैंड पेपर देके हम रफ करिया घसी दवा ताले कोन हो टिके अनइवन सरफेस हे जिवो तापर तो सरफेस एरिया बढ़ी जिवो बाय रफनिंग द सरफेस मेकानिकली बाय रबिंग रब करिया को रबिंग को जाय बाय रबिंग और आ कोन करि परिया ना इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग छुआ इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री पढ़िबो सेटा बेसी क्लियर हे जिवो हमें कैथोड एनोड हिसाब यूज करी कि जोटा डिपोजिट होबो ताको हमें एनोड ऊपर रखिबो माने सॉरी जो कैथोड रे रखिबो कैथोड ऊपर कोन में डिपोजिशन में कहितली तुम फर्स्ट ईयर रे सो डिपोजिशन टेक्स प्लेस ऑन कैथोड तनो इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग रे कोन करा जाय ना सरफेस एरिया पढ़ाई दिया जाय पारे आ तो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री पढ़ी सारिबो सेटा बेसी क्लियर हो सेकंड बाय रिमूविंग द गैसेस by removing the gases already present on the surface जो गैस ता दरकार नहीं मन करो तापरे स्टिक करी के रही छी एडजस्ट है कि अछि ताको हम रिमूव कर दवा ऑन द सरफेस हला तो नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस कर ना एडजस्टमेंट बढ़िया पे हमको एडजस्टमेंट साइज फ्री करिया पड़ियो तेनु सेठी यदि ऑलरेडी गोटे गैस एब्जॉर्ब हे कि अछि इफ देयर इज अ गैस ऑलरेडी एब्जॉर्ब टू द सरफेस वी हैव टू डिजर्व इट ताको डिजर्व करी के हमें रिमूव कर देले कोन हो ना नंबर ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट साइट्स विल इंक्रीज एंड सरफेस एरिया दैट मींस नंबर ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट साइट इंक्रीज माने कोन हो सरफेस एरिया बढ़ी जिवो ओके देन थर्ड वन बाय फाइनली डिवाइडिंग the solid adsorbent तुमको एग्जांपल देथिली माने कर गोटे log of wood अछि काठगंडी अछि ता सरफेस एरिया अधिका ना when that log of wood is converted into small chips ता सरफेस एरिया अधिका हबो ना स्मॉल चिप्स अधिका हबो कहिथिल देखियो काइनेटिक्स पढला सिमिलरली जेतरा हम गोटे सॉलिड एडसोर्बेंट को काटी के छोटा छोटा पीस कर दो फाइनली डिवाइडेड कर देबो सो सेम रहिला एडसोर्बेंट बट सरफेस एरिया कोन हबो इंक्रीज कर दियो So most of the cases in देखिबो even जेतरा तुम्हार यूज हुए एज कैटलिस्ट फाइनली डिवाइडेड सॉलिड्स दिया है फाइनली डिवाइडेड सॉलिड्स काहे कि ना ता ऊपर एडजस्टन है कि से बेटर काम करबो सो रेट ऑफ एडजस्टन इंक्रीजेस विथ इंक्रीज इन सरफेस एरिया बढ़िया आउट बात होची बाय फाइनली डिवाइडिंग द सॉलिड एडसोर्बेंट सो these are the various ways of increasing the surface area कोन हबो ना मैकेनिकली रब करी कि सरफेस को हम सरफेस एरिया बढ़े परिया नहले इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग रे त सरफेस एरिया बढ़े परिया आउ कोन हबो सेकंड प्रोसेस ना जो गैसेस उडा ऑलरेडी एब्जॉर्ब हे अछंती ताकू रिमूव कर देले पुनी फ्रेश साइड मिल जीवा को एडजस्टमेंट पई तो एडजस्टमेंट बढ़ी जीवो आउ फाइनली डिवाइडिंग द सॉलिड एडसोर्बेंट कोन हबो ना सरफेस एरिया विल इंक्रीज सो these are the various factors affecting adsorption of a gas on solid छोटा पॉइंट कहली I have already discussed 6 points so you have to remember them one by one you have to remember the highlights only and this is the assignment for today the question is briefly discuss the factors affecting adsorption of a gas on solid जो छोटा पॉइंट कहिछि जहा जहा सुनिलो जहा बुझिलो ताको लेखि कि मते पठेबो so this is the assignment for today question is briefly discuss the factors affecting adsorption of a gas on solid okay then next student will go for adsorption isotherm that is Freundlich adsorption isotherm so next students will discuss adsorption isotherm and we will discuss Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Adsorption isotherm gives you the empirical relationship between pressure and rate of adsorption. So what is the relationship between pressure and adsorption? It is given by the adsorption isotherm. It was proposed by Freundlich. So as per Freundlich, the extent of adsorption that is A is equal to x by m. A is equal to x by m where A is the amount of gas adsorbed per gram of adsorbent. So how to find out the amount of gas adsorbed per gram of adsorbent? Now x by m. So x is the mass of the adsorbent and m obviously mass of the adsorbent. Okay, so the extent of adsorption or rate of adsorption can be found out by this ratio x by m. x होची कौन ना mass of the adsorbent जे adsorb हुए and m is the mass of the adsorbent जहाँ ऊपर adsorption हुए. So at low pressure, so this is the condition 1. At low pressure कौन हबो ना the rate of adsorption or extent of adsorption is directly proportional to P. Is directly proportional to P, where P is the pressure. P means P raised to the power 1. P we can write P raised to the power 1. We will write like this. Okay, that means कौन हबो x by m will be equal to k into P. Okay, where k is a proportionality constant. Where k is a proportionality constant. तेणु लो प्रेशर रे कौन कहिथिली तुमको ना लो प्रेशर रे एक्सटेंट ऑफ एडजॉर्प्शन वेरीज डायरेक्टली विथ प्रेशर. प्रेशर जते बढ़िबो सेही अनुसार रेट ऑफ एडजॉर्प्शन सेते बढ़िबो. ताले सेकंड कंडीशन आसीबा एट हाई प्रेशर. At high pressure कौन हबो now the extent of adsorption or rate of adsorption x by m will be independent of the pressure. Independent माने कौन लिखियो p to the power 0. p to the power 0 माने क्या something to the power 0 माने 1. That means at high pressure the extent or rate of adsorption is independent of the pressure. p to the power 0 means 1. तेणु हम p to the power 0 काई लिखुछु to show that the extent of adsorption is independent of pressure. सेठी pressure रा किछि रोल नाही. That means depends that x by m will be equal to k into p to the power 0. एठी केते देला k into p to the power 1. ताहले इंटरमीडिएट प्रेशर रे कोन हो पूरा हाई नुए पा पूरा लो नुए तो सेटा पकेबा में थर्ड कंडीशन में एट इंटरमीडिएट प्रेशर कौन हबो ना x by m that is extent of adsorption will be p to the power 1 by n. p to the power 1 by n where n is greater than 0 but constant n is a constant greater than 0 ता माने 1 by n केते हबो 1 by n varies between 1 by n value केते हबो 0 to 1 ता माने होची से where n is greater than 0 1 by n will vary between 0 to 1 काहे की ना देखो लो प्रेशर होची p to the power 1 हाई प्रेशर होची p to the power 0 ताले मझी प्रेशर कोन हो there will be some value between 0 to 1 0 to 1 भीतर रहइबो so it will be 1 by n. So at intermediate pressure the adsorption isotherm is expressed x by m is proportional to p to the power 1 by n. Implies that x by m is equal to k proportionality constant into p to the power 1 by n. So this is called Freundlich adsorption isotherm. How the extent of adsorption or rate of adsorption varies with pressure. So at intermediate pressure x by m that is the extent of adsorption will be equal to k into p to the power 1 by n. 1 by n काहे कि बुझि परछो ना काहे कि ना अगेन कहि दोछि अथरे 1 second I am repeating at high pressure extent of adsorption is proportional to p to the power 0 independent. At low pressure the direct proportional p to the power 1 ताले मझी प्रेशर कोन हबो 0 to 1 भीतर रहबो so 1 by n varies between 0 to 1 तेनु कोन लिख पे हमें so it is most appropriate to write at intermediate pressure x by m is proportional to p to the power 1 by n, where n is greater than 0 and 1 by n then kete hobo, it will having values between 0 to 1. So we can write x by m is equal to k into p to the power 1 by n. Okay, so this is called Freundlich's adsorption isotherm. Then we will go for the graphical expression of it. We will go for graphical expression of the same. Okay. Next we will go for graphical representation. Graphical representation. So if we plot a graph between x by m taken along this axis versus pressure P taken along this axis. So at T constant temperature, let us see how this gas will vary or how the extent of adsorption will vary with pressure. So initially, as I told you, so this will be the graph. The graph will be like this. Initially it will increase, then will become a straight line. Initially ये बढ़िबो, किसी समय पर straight line हिजो. So at the point from which the pressure has no impact on the rate of adsorption is called saturation pressure. Our class में कही. So initially देखो छुआ x by m is directly proportional to p to the power 1. Initially जते बढ़ुची प्रेशर देखो x by m सते बढ़ुची त इनिशियल स्टेज रे हम कोन लिख परिबा एट लो प्रेशर रे कोन होची देखो ना रेट ऑफ एडजर्सन इंक्रीजेस विथ इंक्रीज इन प्रेशर ताले एठी कोन हे गला या परे x by m एट हाई प्रेशर इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ द प्रेशर तनो हाई प्रेशर रे कोन आसी गला छुआ देखो ना x by m इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ द प्रेशर तनो ए मझी फेज रे कोन होइबो इंटरमीडिएट फेज रे ताले कोन होइबो हम लिख परिबा x by m is directly proportional to p to the power 1 by m. बुझिला विभिन्न फेज गुडा इनिशियली देखो जते बढ़ुची प्रेशर सेते बढ़ुची तुमर एक्सटेंट ऑफ एडजर्सन. सो इनिशियली एक्सटेंट ऑफ एडजर्सन रेट ऑफ एडजर्सन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू p p to the power 1. p means p to the power 1. तापरे जेतरा हाई प्रेशर हम पहुंच जाउछु देखो एटा कोन हेउछु एटा स्ट्रेट लाइन. इट बिकम्स ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. दैट मींस नाउ the extent of adsorption देखो जते हम प्रेशर बढ़ाउछु या ग्राफ ऊपर को जाउछि जाउनी. दैट मींस इट बिकम्स ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. तो एट अ डेफिनेट प्रेशर ता परे जते हम प्रेशर बढ़ेबो इट हैज नो इंपैक्ट ऑन रेट ऑफ एडजर्सन. सो दैट प्रेशर इज कॉल्ड कोन कहिथिल तुम सैचुरेशन प्रेशर. दैट प्रेशर इज कॉल्ड सैचुरेशन प्रेशर. दैट मींस सही प्रेशर परे आउ प्रेशर रो कोनोसी इंपैक्ट नहीं ऑन एडजर्सन. So what is saturation pressure? Now beyond which the pressure has no impact on the rate of adsorption is called saturation pressure. So the pressure beyond which the pressure has no impact on rate of adsorption is called saturation pressure. तो आंसर लिखि दवा लो प्रेशर रे एटा होची लो प्रेशर कंडीशन देखो. लो प्रेशर रे कोन होची लो प्रेशर रे होची extent of adsorption rate of adsorption is directly proportional to p. ये जते बढ़ुची से सेते बढ़ुची. इंटरमीडिएट प्रेशर रे इंटरमीडिएट प्रेशर रे कोन होची ना it varies to 1 by nth power of p. काहे की ना 1 और 0 भितर वैल्यू रहबा दरकार. तनु कोन करछ हम x by m proportional to p to power 1 by n. एठी कोन होची at high pressure. At high pressure कौन होची ना the extent of adsorption or rate of adsorption becomes independent of the pressure. So this is called adsorption isotherm. That is Freundlich's adsorption isotherm. Okay, that means at intermediate pressure हम कौन लिख परिबा at intermediate pressure the Freundlich's adsorption isotherm holds good. तेनु Freundlich's adsorption isotherm केते बेले एप्लीकेबल होची ना एट लो एंड इंटरमीडिएट प्रेशर. कोन लेक्चर में x by m is equal to k into p to the power 1 by n. तुमको आगु ऑलरेडी देखे दिछि x by m is directly proportional to p to the power 1 by n. ताले इक्वालिटी पे कोन करिया हमें गोटे प्रोपोर्शनली कांस्टेंट मल्टीप्लाई करिया where k is the proportionality constant. So taking logarithm of both sides, taking logarithm of both sides, हम कौन पाइबा ना log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n log p. ए इक्वेशन तारो बोथ साइड लॉगरिथम लेला पाया कोन log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n log p. देखो y is equal to m x plus c ए फॉर्मूला पके दे करियो हमें ना. So it can be put into which equation? The equation of a straight line. So if you are asked, if we draw a graph between what x axis का क्या बनोगा ना log p, we'll take log p in the x axis and y axis का बनोगा log x by m, y axis का बनोगा log x by m. ताले कोन हबो ना इट विल स्ट्रेट लाइन बिकॉज़ इट फिट्स इनटू इक्वेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन. इक्वेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन पडुची ताले कोन हबो ना स्ट्रेट लाइन हबो इंटरसेप्ट अछि ता माने कोन हबो ना सेंटर देक पास करिवोनी टिके इंटरसेप्ट छाडियो. सो इट विल स्ट्रेट लाइन विथ इंटरसेप्ट को हबो ना सी जगह जा अछि इंटरसेप्ट विल बी log k m. स्लोप केता हबो tan थीटा 1 by n. पहले स्लोप केते हबो स्लोप will give you the value of 1 by n. Okay, so this is all about your French adjacent isotherm. So if we plot a graph between this and this, it will be like this. Slope will be 1 by n and intercept will be log k. So two cases will arise here. So when 1 by n is equal to 0, case 1, when case 1, when 1 by n is equal to 0, ताले कोन हिजबो x by m is equal to k. K means kate k into p to the power 0. That means the rate of adjustment will be independent of the pressure. Case 2 रे कोन हबो when 1 by n is equal to 1, ताले कोन हिजबो x by m will be equal to k into p. That means x by m will be directly proportional to pressure. हैला तो एटा ए दुटा केस भी तुम कंफर्म करछि जे French adjacent isotherm holds good only at low and intermediate pressure but fails at higher pressure. हैला French adjacent isotherm holds good only at low and intermediate pressure but fails at higher pressure. Okay, so this is all about your adjacent isotherm and French adjacent isotherm. So this is also a possible question for you. So with this we complete the adjacent portion. Adjacent portion complete हो गला. Next class we will start another portion, that is catalysis or action of catalyst. Okay students, so this is for today. Thank you.